Distance learning for us was really hard by having kids in multiple grades, not having enough data for our internet, kids' computers was lagging.
It was very stressful because it was hard to do work, and then every time I had to take at least an hour from my computer to work again, I had a whole bunch of work to do.
We didn't have to pay for anything, no services. It helped save money to put towards food and other bills during the pandemic, and actually was very useful for us.
The addition of that seamless internet connection was kind of the last piece that we needed to get through to even more of our families and our students who had not been able to engage with us in that way.